Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a Xbox Series X HDMI port placement. It's a good thing we deep clean these. Alright, now we can proceed with the repair. We'll be sure to change out that crusty factory compound too. You might want to turn down your speakers, it's probably going to get a bit loud. So let's get this port off. Tweaks, so I'm going to have to do something I don't do very often. I'm going to have to pull it off. No torn pads, always good. I've already removed the old solder, so we just got to put some new solder on. I'm going to remove the old solder from the bottom pads there that nobody seems to address and put some fresh solder there as well. Then we could get the new port on, get them back to gaming. It may get a little loud, so go ahead and turn down your speakers or audio. Let's dig in. Alright, it may get a little loud again, so you might want to turn down your audio. Alright, it's a really difficult angle for me, so I hope this works out. And then we could wrap this up, because I'm getting a lot of missed calls already, even though we're not open. Nobody likes to observe business hours. We'll call you right back. Final outcome on the posts. Final outcome on the pins. Make a good note that the solder has gone all the way through the post holes. I might have to grab these calls. I keep missing calls. I'll have to just post the thumbnail of it working or not working. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing you all do helps. We also have memberships available, and the store is now open if you want to buy keychains or other stuff. Thanks for tuning in.